mean by string? Collections of characters is called as a string. So before that we have to know what is character. Character is nothing but it going to store only single letter. It must be enclosed with single quotes. What about the string? It must be enclosed with the double quotes. That is the main differentiation between the string and the character. So how many number of bytes it going to store while taking as a string? 2 bytes of data is going to store. What about the character? 1 byte of data is going to store. For storing purpose, it is going to take as a 1 byte as considered as the character. In case of string data type, it is going to take as a 2 bytes of data. Yes. So what are the functions? What are the string functions it has? So before going to include the string function, what is the header file to be included for performing the string function? For performing the string functions, we need to include the header file called string. #include string.h. String.h is the header file to perform the string function. What are the functions are there when concentrating of string functions? Let us discuss one by one. Okay, let us start. String functions. What are the string functions are there? String length, string copy, string compare. One by one. String combine. Then string character, string cap. String characters mainly for purpose of the to combine the two strings. Going to combine from one string with the another string. That is the main purpose of string cat. That is the string combine. What is the purpose of string length? To find the length of a string. If I am giving the example as welcome, how many letters? 7. How many letters are present in the welcome word? The number of letters, for example, 7. Yes, that is to be shown in the output. Welcome. So 7 letters are there. The result will be of 7. STRLEN bracket. The word will be specified. The result will be 7. What is the purpose of string copy?
Copy one string value to another string value.
One string value into the another string. Always we say as a source and the destination. We are going to copy the content from source file into the destination file. Always we say that the source and the destination. We are moving one content from the another content, but the source file also have the same content and the destination file also have the same content. Thus I am copying from one content into the another content through the string copy function. So for that we have to create the variable. We all know that for creating variable string S1. That is the variable creation for string. So what is the purpose of string compare?
It is used to compare the two strings.
Going to compare the two strings. For example, I am giving the first word as a welcome, second word as a hello. What is the result of the string comparison?
From string comparison we used to give the value as a +1 or -1 or 0.
0.
So
in case
the first string is bigger means it will be give the value as 1. If the first value is lesser than the second value means it will give the -1. If both the values are same means it will give the value.
Going to give the value as a 0. But in case of it is not equal, welcome and hello is not equal. In that case, it is going to give the value as 1. If it is equal, then it is going to
means it will give the value
as 0. So if it is in uppercase or lowercase, in that case, it is going to give the result as a 0. If the letters are same, then it is going to give the result as a 0. Other than that, it is going to give the result as a 1 -1, +1 or -1. So, okay. What is the use of string?
It is used to do the first occurrence of the string.
Oh, it is going to find the first occurrence of the string. So I am just giving the string value as this is the new string. If you want to find the new NEW, so in that cases we are going to specify the string string variable, comma, what the word to be searched in the particular string. So in that case, it's going to give the first occurrence. First time the word is present, where the word is present, that location is going to display. So the same purpose with what string character. It's going to check the first occurrence of the
word or a string.
Word or a string. In that case, it's going to check the character. String and string character is same, but it's going to check the string here. But in case of character, it's going to check the character.
Check only single letter.
It's going to check only the single letter. Okay. In this video, what we have discussed?
String and
String functions. How we are going to use the string functions. Thank you.